guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So, pupunta tayo sa Christmas party ni...
Yeah, I bring my phone because mom said so.
Yeah. So, magbibideo siya. In my mind. Ayusin my mind. So, prepare na natin ang ating gift. So, guys, ito yung gift na Amara kay Ma'am Pearl at exchange gift niya kay Dinjin at saka sa teacher ni Dinjin. Ayan, lalagay na ni Lola sa bag niya. So, ito yung pagkain nila, Dinjin. Ayan naman kay Maymay. So, halika na guys. Gogora na tayo. Hello guys, nandito na kami sa school. So, ayan na guys. I'm so excited. We're going inside. I'm here with my tot. Guys, there's Dinjin and Lola behind me. Akit na tayo sa taas. Alright guys, nandito ako sa room ni Amara. Ay, huwag sirahin. Kaya naman ay. Lahik. Alright. Wow, ang sexy naman nito ni Bebe. Anong meron, Bebe? Start na ba? Wait lang, wala pa. Wala pa din. One, two, three. Bitaw.
choose. Mara.
Mara! Mara! Ikaw Mara!
Mara.
Mara!
Kay Julie. Mara kay Julie. Bartolome. Ali.
What you got? What you got, Mai?
5. Hi, James.
What is that? Yeah, what's
Si
that?
Bartolome, tinawag na yan.
Bijuin.
Yeah, hindi.
Sophia, tsaka si ano.
Wow!
Si Sophia. Ah, sige po, open niyo na po yung mga dala niyo po. Salamat po.
What's that?
Nero.
Pesos.
Okay po yan si Kyle Davis, tsaka si Nero.
That's cool, Mai.
It's Choco. Chloe. Anika. Maxine.
Ah, yung nakagi siguro yan, Mai. Ay, hindi. Oo.
Anika. Wait. Away. Ayan siya. Mary Kay. Alexander.
Ah, si Mai. Mai! Amara! Excited si Amara. You know.
Ayaw mga nag-practice ng sayaw. So, yan, sayaw na.
Okay, why?
Ayan.
Game na ba?
Pila na maayos walang lalapit. Pagkatapos nyo, diretso kayo sa likod. Pag nag-stay kayo dito sa harap, disqualify yung grupo nyo, okay? Okay, game. Hindi na sa likod dyan. Hindi yan. Ay, ganyan kaya ka. Okay, game. Please stop. 1, 2, okay.
Wow. I don't know. There's a lot of Polvoron. Oh, they have brownies. They have, I don't know what is this.
And the one in the good part, I got.
Ay, that's daddy cake.
Yeah, we know.
Honey, I gave, why you broke it? Not for dad.
Happy birthday.
Not now, baby.
Just put aside.
By the way, then the other one, by the way, then the other one was dropped in the tunnel.
I told you not to play there. I know what will be happening.
It didn't fall in the tunnel, it only touched it, but
Where was it now?
it didn't. I was down.
So, din you wash it. It's alright. So, how's your day, honey?